Today I'm going to go ahead and do some selected problems from this exercise 1.3. We're going to start with number 4 and 5. I'll do those two. 4 and 5. It's asking for, use a diagram below to find the measure of each angle, and we're trying to find O, measurement of angle O, L, OL, and P. We know that from the bottom of the protractor, we know that it goes from here to 50 degrees. From here to here is 50 degrees, and we know that from here to here is 90. So all I would have to do is 90 minus 50, and that's going to give me 40. So it's 90 degrees minus 50 degrees, and that's going to give me 40 degrees. So the measurement of angle OLP is going to be 90, since that's a right angle, minus 50, which is going to give you 40 degrees. Let's go ahead and find the measurement of angle MLQ. So we have MLQ, and you notice that it's going to be this entire angle. So in this case, it's going to be 180 degrees. We're still using the protractor, and I'm going to start with number 10 since we're doing selective problems. And it's asking, classify each angle as acute, which means it's less than 90 degrees, right, which means it's a 90-degree angle, or obtuse, which is greater than 90, or straight, which in our last example was 180 degrees. So I'm going to find O. I'm going to classify OLQ. So you notice that this is going to be a 90-degree angle. So this will be a right angle. So you're going to go ahead and write down right angle. For number 11, we want to find the measurement for angle MLQ. So we have MLQ, and you notice we found it up here, it was 180 degrees, so that's going to be classified as a straight angle. And why is it a straight angle? Because the measurement is 180 degrees. So from problems 1 through 5, you just have to give me the measurement using the protractor, and then 6 through 11, you have to identify it as acute, right, obtuse, or right, or straight. Use figure at the right for exercise 12 and 13. I'm going to do 13. What is another name for angle WYZ? So we know that the vertex is Y. So another name would probably be, you got to change the order. So we're going to start with Z now. Z, Y, W. Another name could be angle 2. Use the figure at the right for exercise 20 through 23. We have the measurement of angle FXH. So we know that this angle measurement is 130 degrees. I know that the measurement of angle FKG is 49 degrees. And we have to find, in this case, we're going to go ahead and use, we're going to go ahead and do number 15. And it's asking you to find the measurement of GXH. Well, you notice, and you want to write this down, we have the measurement of angle GXH XH is equal to the measurement, which is the larger angle of FXH minus the measurement of F. And let me go ahead and pause the video so I can write this correctly. What I wrote down was that the measurement of angle GXH, and I'm going to write it again, the measurement of angle GXH, which is the larger, I'm sorry, it's this one here, GXH. And I'm going to go ahead and label it with my marker here. I'm going to use a red or blue marker here. So we're looking for this angle. We do know the measurement of the larger angle, which is the measurement of angle FXH, which is the entire angle of measurement of angle FXH, which is 130 degrees, minus, I'm going to have to subtract that smaller angle here. So we have the measurement of angle FXG, which is 49. And then when we subtract both, what we get is 81 degrees. Okay. I know it says in the exercise use a figure for 20 to 23. I think it was meant to say from 14 to 17. Yeah, 14 and 17. And now I'm going to go ahead and do one of the ones at the bottom. I think I'm going to do 19, so I'm going to pause it. It says for number 19, we have the measurement of angle OZP is given to you as 4R plus 2. And we know that the measurement of angle PZQ is 5R minus 12. And the measurement of OZQ, which is the big angle here, the large angle, is going to be 125 degrees. So what you're going to do is you're going to add up the smaller angles, and it's going to make up the larger angle. So if I wrote down a statement, I would write the measurement of angle OZP plus the measurement of angle PZQ is equal to the measurement of the entire angle. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and write 125. So now what you do next is you're going to go ahead and substitute the information you have. So you have 4R plus 2 plus 5R minus 12 gives you 125. And I'm not going to have room here to complete the process, but I'm going to try to do my best. So you have 9R minus 10 is equal to 125. You add 10 to both sides. So you have, and I'm going to have to write it here on the side, I apologize, 9R equals 135, and then divide by 9, and that's going to give you the value of R, which is 15. So if you're trying to find the other angles, then what you have to do is go back and substitute. So you have 4 times 15 plus 2. In this case, 4 times 15 is 60, plus 2 gives you 62 degrees. The other one's going to be 5 times 15 minus 12, and that will be, gives you 63. So if you wanted to check, you would have to add both, and you do get 125 degrees. Make sure that you show all your work on a separate sheet of paper. I didn't do a very good example here. You got to show your work, make sure it's nice and neat. So the problems that I didn't complete, make sure you do this on your own. If you have any questions, please see me in tutoring. Okay, thank you.